What's up YouTube? Drew here, and I'm excited to unbox in front of you guys the Aisin TKT-021. This is a water pump, timing belt, tensioner, bearing kit, etc. for Toyota's 4.7 liter. As you would see it in my Tundra hiding behind that Prius. That does belong to Jade and I. It's not one of our little projects. It's got 196,000 miles on it, and it is due for its timing belt. And as a responsible Toyota owner, to me that also means water pump, because you're in there, tensioner, all that stuff. Anyways, so I did a little bit of research and made a late night impulse buy. I've been doing the Toyota thing for 20 years, and I need to keep it genuine Toyota, but I do not need, nor can I afford to pay genuine Toyota prices. So here we're going to open this up and see what we got. The hope was that this has all genuine Toyota components, but in the boxes of the manufacturers that actually made them for Toyota. So first thing I see here is a manual, and it looks like it has torque specs and things like that, which will be awesome because I like working with paper when I do a job, and you should too. Fumbling with a screen is just annoying, and paper allows you to take notes, and yeah. This is the water pump gasket and a couple O-rings. I'm not sure about these O-rings. I did read somewhere that there is a genuine Toyota gasket maker, squirty stuff, RTV I assume, that's not likely in this kit. I guess we'll find out. But it's available at the Toyota dealership. It's cheap, and it's the right stuff to use. So do it. I will. Let's see here. Also, it's important to note, I saw on the box, it says assembled in the USA. I'm assuming that they're just talking about the box because these should all be Japanese components. Let's see here. So the timing belt itself is Mitsuboshi. Important to note that they are not Mitsubishi. They even emphasize the O where the I would be. This is not Mitsubishi, it's Mitsuboshi. Mitsuboshi makes Toyota's timing belts. Toyota puts them in a red box with diagonal white writing and charges much more. So this is a victory. NTN, the tensioner. This is a genuine Toyota part as well, also in its original box to save money. Beautiful. Okay, Koyo this is huge. You wouldn't want to spend all the money on a timing belt and a water pump and then put in crappy bearings. This could cost you a motor. Koyo is the original manufacturer of Toyota bearings. It is very important to note that when doing like a wheel bearing in a Toyota, if you buy a Timken, you open the box and you get a Koyo bearing. I also bought a Timken for a Kia once, and it had a Hyundai logo and a Kia logo right on the bearing, which is pretty dead obvious that they just reboxed the original equipment. Intermotor also just sent me a genuine Toyota bypass valve for a Prius, which was nice. Said Toyota right on it. So the other bearing here is also a Japan-made Koyo. We want Koyo, not, some no-name brand. A little bit more literature. I guess that talks... Oh, this explains the... I don't know. I'm not going to guess what that stands for. Something about in-place gasket, fill in place, whatever. It's the liquid gasket stuff, which again does not appear to be part of this kit. I guess we'll find out, but the Toyota dealership's not far. And for you, if it is, just, go online and buy it. This is a way to do the job real quick, right? Just stick the sticker on, but that's a sticker to keep track. That'll go next to the sticker for when mine was done at 98,000 miles. Lastly is the water pump, and this is official. There is no gasket maker stuff, but that's okay. Let's see, somewhere it should say, aha, all right. Right there is Aisin cast right on. Now on a genuine Toyota one, sometimes that says Toyota instead, but it's easy to tell on all of them that it is in fact made by Aisin. Aisin, who I believe Toyota owns 25% of. Please don't quote that, because Denso and Aisin are written all over the inside of Toyotas, and I know Toyota has something to do with both. I just forget how much of each. But the point is genuine part. So this kit is a success. Definitely a success. Everything here is the exact same stuff you would get in the red Toyota box if you spent much more at the Toyota dealership. I laid down $206.99 plus tax, and as a Prime member, obviously, it was free shipping. Thank you, Amazon. That has proved to be a valuable thing to our family and clearly has made you wealthy, so good for everybody. Very, very excited about this kit. Again, everything here is genuine. It's the same stuff that you would get from the Toyota dealership. So as a big time Toyota fan, we own a car dealership, and 95 or 96 point something of our inventory so far year to date has been Toyota or Honda. We're big fans of those. If you look out in the driveway there, we've got a Lexus LS 430, a Toyota Prius V. Those are belong to the dealership. There's a JDM imported Crown, an S150 Crown, JZS 155. Behind it, I doubt you can see, is Jade's Crown Majesta. And then there is, of course, our Tundra that we own. We love these vehicles. We believe in keeping them Toyota. They are as good as they are because they are made out of good parts. So an engine is completely useless and in most cases destroyed if any of these parts fail. The original parts, I've seen Toyotas neglected to 500K and these parts were still good. So a total success. The Aisin TKT-021 is what it promises to be, a full box of genuine Toyota parts. Very nice that Aisin got us Koyo and NTN instead of whatever they felt worthy to sit in there with their pumps. So very cool. This is Drew. Obviously, this video is not instructional and is not going to change your life. But if this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel because usually it's a lot more in depth and you might just learn how to fix stuff. Thanks.